kita bagi menin nonton porta kina ouch palangi.
Right. Tama binaka na ito ko binaka na Punches celebrating 90 years. Thank you so much for your service in a beloved country, Fiji.
There is 90 years for being here. With that time, some of us we are gone.
Right.
Some of us we are don't yet coming in the world.
Right.
But we are thankful to Punches. It's a 90 years old of life. Of gratitude, of multiply, of manufacture, of loving everyone.
Punches have been providing jobs for thousands of people, Fijians, for the last 90 years. Wambata ni bunga, era mayrawati rito nangonongo, era kuning gatakataka, and tabri vingra di Punches.
Dono mo binaka. Punches tega bunga may manakali lai. Tega mo manakali lai. Sanga liada me kali mo me salin do sartu no stoli mo ngon ko.
Dono mo binaka. To all the staff of Punches.
Right.
Tuning in this morning kita udah pada sini kimni.
Morning. Good morning.
Sarang karena kita biar menonton mengani borong bulu bikin.
Right.
Ibe biti an nabi unibi tokani an matakango.
Right.
Tapi kata dui kaya titi cuma nakoro.
Dono binaka.
Karena no mo binaka no manggosa.
Right.
Kaya ka ngoli an nabi mbara biar nonton waswasa.
Dono binaka.
Kaka biar no mungutu doko.
Right.
Kaya ka taka cuma bola.
Dono binaka.
Me kurin tui na puno tataki. And
to all those tuning in from the car, in the bus, in the traffic jam, TJ, LM49, Bulvinaka, Navalem Sarale Oceana, and Digita Toma VDFM, and Mataka Nivaka Dami Sigani.
Wambul Tatunga Bay, Lewandebo Bay, Miltamari Canabuvale, and Bulvina, Murua, Bilesenia,
Salabushike,
Lupe, Katani, Bulvinaka Bay, Melina, the Lebun, Bulvinaka Bay, Veli, Vinine Veli, Ngande Tongo, Baldwin, Susana, Notal Nintani Ponuea, Bala, Doyanra. Chito Lutus, Chito Don Totobata, my Weibo,
right?
My Rewa, Bulvinaka, and a Rewa Secondary School, Don Bulvinaka. Thank you very much.
There's some of the games that we used to play during our young days.
Right.
Okay, you know Butako Sui.
Butako Sui is still going on now.
Still going on now?
This one is the king of the Butako Sui.
Please explain to us the Butako Sui before.
The only Butako Sui I know is when you leave your wife and take your husband.
Huh? Oi!
Already came into
Sabi sino Butako Sui gori?
Ina na mga.
Kung membiu to okay, two teams.
Alright.
Ragay membiu lang to na.
Rada man ng Butako Sui makasam taga.
Never steal somebody's wife. Never steal somebody's husband. It's a sin.
Okay. Kung nang gitar do ta ka na naman ko. Okay lang example ka nindong gitar, bati ko kung anong aling kasi.
Iko na iyo na bang na narutalo to kami mo ni kayo ket sa takana.
Butako Sui sa aro na ito. Rin tak na ekavi si lewu.
Bongi lewu.
Daw to ka ng bongi bula.
Right.
Nang Butako Sui. O siya sang ito rong kay may di ba may ka ko chugilo mani.
Kono Sui.
Iyo. Makano Sui chugilo ma.
Right.
Iyo. Ko di ba arto libunte ko.
Oi.
Iyo.
Ya baka odi chugilo ma.
Chugilo man da kan Sui, tara ka chugilo man nakau siya.
Oi, okay.
Na torua. Kay di ba may siya di.
Oi.
Butako dali na Suya.
O kasi bersari kila gitu gur.
Ya ko
Kuana Butako Sui lele buko chikila choka.
Butako Sui lele me bangrai mai. Labisele.
You choro the human bone.
Human bone man. Oi. I want to the only game I know from that kind of game is Zambidi.
Oh.
We named that
game.
Right. Zambidi.
Yeah.
When you run, there is a proper point where you're gonna score, you're gonna touch.
Okay.
So if you run, team from that side, team from this side.
So two be this one that side, one on the other side. Set up.
Iyo.
Alright.
Around on a point.
So one will guard them BV.
Kuni guide.
Oi.
Nobody will guide.
Lala to ng bidi.
Lala.
Oi.
So you have to run.
Iyo.
Pagka nga mong gito yun, taring ako kang ko sa di sar kaya.
Right.
Kaya pagka nung dolo yung team tarik ko, ando sa sang misandongo, we'll run like that.
We name it Zambuka.
Buka
mai.
Iya.
Buka yani.
Asgan we call it Dambuka.
Iya. That one. And another game is cuando barba kya. Kung nakakambay bunikaw, kung natetekol mong gito when you play on the branch of the tree like
sling,
monkey. Like Tarzan, like the monkey.
Right.
You doing that. we see the biliawa. You know the biliawa?
Yeah.
The biliawa is a kind of plant that grow and blanket the tree.
Yeah.
Like the walai.
Yeah.
The blanket. We used to do that, and after that, in the afternoon, you're gonna see the branch.
Yeah.
Christmas
fulfill.
En rak met de mangel kena crew ni gandar shipping.
Dobula.
Kena na Regent mobile Bailey Bridge.
Right.
En mataka binang ni ko. How about the Billy talo? Billy taloe, huh?
Huh? The only thing the sip away is when you dig the kids.
Oh, go makana shells. You get the shells. How many? 8 altogether. Sangin do chura kena tui.
Yeah.
Sangin biri talo. Sangin biri taki wai. So all you have to do, you can monunu ya ni mo collect tak kere maya.
Oh. For me,
Iyo. Biri taloe.
For me, I only know the visa.
Right.
What's
The visa. The visa you use the kind of marble, the nabatun visa.
Oi.
Kordo buotung ori vikau.
Right.
English.
You the one that ripen in the bear fruit in the forest. You take that marble and you play.
Dabi.
No, this in the forest.
Iyo.
The dambi in the sea level.
Okay.
Oi, the makita.
Nama kita goreng na koli.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Okay, our story. This
Right.
kata ngamay.
Yeah.
That's up ngamay. Go.
Okay, this is a story about two boys walking in the sabu-sabu wolf.
Huh?
Wolf. Nawa mo may sabu-sabu.
Oh, in a jetty.
In a jetty.
Right.
So these two was there.
Yeah.
The only thing they do is volunteer for helping people.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So they count this as a job because every time they help,
Yeah.
the money given.
They collect the coins.
They
Oh,
collect the
yeah,
coins, the
yeah,
tip
yeah,
from the
okay,
people they are helping.
Uh.
So these people was there.
Who's?
Them. They're moving around from there one day.
Yeah.
So they helping people.
Right.
One day there is a priest
Yeah.
coming on the wolf.
Okay.
So when they coming on the wolf,
Yeah.
they helping the priest, the
Right.
pastor.
Uh.
So these two boys, they are brother.
Yeah.
So when they are brother,
Yeah.
so they coming, they help the pastor.
Right.
They take their surrounding.
Right.
Taranon rokako,
Yeah.
ni taltala.
Luggage.
So the luggage,
Right.
they put them in a proper way,
Right.
where the pastor need to put in.
Right.
They leave the kako. I want to leave the sheep.
Leave the ship pero bangkaray may. So pastor was there,
Right.
and that these two, they was talking to each other. So that they doing the conversation. Pastor ngo,
Yeah.
how much for your?
How much do you have to pay?
Yeah, how much for your helping?
Ano na katay ko may tay.
If na kemo raw. And the two boys reply,
Yeah.
only $2.
Yeah.
Oh,
Pero
only-
boss,
Oh, $2
boss,
eh.
manda.
Yeah.
Kibida.
How much?
Talo ko dito drop taka.
How much?
Yeah.
$2 eh.
Oh, yeah.
Send, so the tal reply, you two boys, I'm the pastor.
Yeah.
I want to ask you a question.
Yeah.
And then dala ni wolf singa.
And then move.
Oh.
I want to ask you a question. I'm the pastor.
Yeah.
You want me to pay you here?
No, the basta.
Basta ko rin na baisui. Right? I'm the pastor.
Yeah.
You want me to pay you here?
Yeah.
Or you want me to pay you or you want to pay in heaven?
You're right.
Rau biya
You
saumike?
want to get paid here or in heaven?
Yeah.
Sen ro
So,
saumi ma.
ako pero ng ding.
Iya.
Ding.
Ro saumike sen ro saumi melo malang.
Right.
Yeah.
The boys was thinking, eh?
Yeah.
Thinking up, thinking down.
Thinking down,
And
thinking
they
up.
went back bossy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And these two boys replies.
Yeah.
Reply.
Yeah.
Taltala, pastor.
Yeah.
Better you pay us here.
Yeah.
Otherwise we never
Please.
Yeah,
please.
Yeah.
Otherwise we never meet in heaven. Ang ko tala bera oyaw na tala-tala.
Yeah.
Ang beta rin kimrongan tala-taro.
Right.
Monraw be sa mikes and rong be sa mga lumalang.
Yeah.
Asin bera ro na boys.
Yeah.
Tala-tala o kere-kere.
Yeah.
Mikero sa sumingay ke.
Yeah.
Dalawa to bidala ti melo malang.
Pero na kasi mo ng manuve nandera kidney center.
Daw pulo mo na ka.
Marin City binibinibing ko mbula na ka mo lewa butu.
Daw pulo.
Talas kako.
Tal skako was there.
Yeah.
These two boys was looking on the left, on the right.
Right.
If no coin was given,
Yeah.
maybe the kakos
The kako ang gariway.
siningereway
So if that was you,
was me.
yeah. If you those boys,
I take tala-tala.
Huh?
I take tala-tala to back home and one cup of tea.
Take tal to be your kako.
Kakay! May tala-tilo malangi.
You carry the luggage, carry tal-tal.
Tala pa mai.
Kakala. Kere-kere daru tu sumanda. Dono mata bangat lamboy surum
Yo
bola.
tal-talnya turang turang toba tamay lawe. Sambau ngau sarangan turang. Asin mata lo ikum.
7C, Hertaria. Boleh nak try Grace?
Jina.
Kita minta tinggal matusan na bibisunin rakin na artiko.
Iya.
So nga una iliw anta si Railar sa lang kumena tatana nanar sa bibuke nga si sinibila katikin na ilabo.
Since primary school, Vini na bilian na
Onongo,
Yeah.
yung kay kere-kere,
Okay,
yung
what's the difference, the Messi?
The difference is money. Money is the root of evil.
We do it from our heart.
Right.
Free of charge.
Help
Nothing.
each other.
Yo,
Yes.
if someone gives you the money after doing a service,
No, thank you.
Manaka.
Yeah.
Manaka.
Set to you.
No.
No, anything you do, you
Wait.
need money. You know why?
Wala mi nang bulan na kuro pa kuno man tangan ko.
Right.
Iliw,
Yes.
Kaya to niya naman tangan ko
Yes.
titi. Lako tu.
Because the suki, it is total only this.
Right.
It's very.
Yeah.
The business,
Salili
the
juga.
business,
Smaller and smaller.
Yeah.
the business is growing inside us.
Right.
We are compare us with other people doing business.
Right.
So when there is business, when you
Right.
see the money, you see
Yeah.
the business.
Right.
When you see the people,
Yeah.
you see money.
You the money.
So if you are working before,
Right.
when you are
People
doing,
see you now, they see your pocket.
yes, your
Yeah.
pocket, but never
Yeah.
underestimate
Your pocket.
your relationship
Oi.
in the family.
Good.
You better see how the love within your family.
Go sana.
Don't see money. Money
Yeah.
is not
Money
alive.
is the root of evil.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's not alive. The money.
Yeah.
Right.
The money
Doesn't
is
bring-
only move from one place
Yeah.
to another
Yeah.
Right.
because of you.
Yeah.
Kau mbito tu nilabo.
Yeah.
Eh Cesar ni daga ko ya.
Right.
Right.
Kaya kau bila kata nilabo mele daga.
English, man, English.
If you want the money to be work inside you,
Yeah.
you need a human being
Yeah.
to take that money and
Right.
go to the
Money talk.
the money is talking.
Right.
Yeah.
When you see the money does not have a mouth.
Here.
Yeah.
He only will have a tail and a head.
Right.
But he
Yeah.
can move you from one place to another.
Right.
He can make you a doctor.
Right.
You need a 60 today because of money.
Right. So if you like you're saying that money is like
38 seconds.
it's nothing, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you don't come to work.
Don't come talk. That's money. I want to use my talent to help people smile. But when there is no money, the talent never smile.